But I think the Aprilias are going to dominate at Assen personally, but, well, we haven't been there.
Finally, our MotoGP winners.
Hager will be taking advantage. He's got the inside line now. Not quite. Yes, he's done it. Hager's let the brakes off and he's stuffed himself down the inside into second place. Looking back for Hager, but now Bostrom has gone up the inside, and I think he'll take him back as they go into turn two.
He's carrying a lot of speed in there. Right trip sideways, and he's done it, but can he hold it? He's carrying speed also through and out. Managed just to keep that bike under control. Hager pushing back. Remember, Noriyuki Haga is the only man to have won this race, other than Troy Corser. He's the only man out here that's won this race here. Lucho quick in, pulls out side by side, fast left-hander, and he's through. Take that, Ben Bostrom. My bike's got lots of mumbo, and I'm through.
Oh, and that was close then. Hager, I think they were trying to look, but they didn't look at that.
Aprilia. Hager, he's just banged in the fastest lap. Hager, he's just slammed his bike past Bostrom. Hager is back in the lead. Absolutely everything at Hager to try to get enough squirt to get out. Now his teammates side by side with him. Just can't do it, but he's through. He slipped through. I thought for a minute there Bayless was going to take a piece as well. Bayless, Bostrom tried that so hard. Now Hager's fighting back up the inside into turn two. But I think Bostrom looked good out of there. Bostrom looked really quick out of there.
Watch for that 155 pop out the slipstream. There it is.
Levy and Bayless now. He could run out of space on the bottom of that lap board to let them know. And I think Bayless slipped through, has he? Ran a different line through turn 14. Now Harger's through, just carries enough speed. Absolutely unbelievable. That's not in the script either. A1R getting through there and into the chicane. Now, can he break away?
Well, now if he gets a good drive out of him, and he has once again, look at that Aprilia pull up the hill. He managed to get the power down, keeps a tight line out of there, really straight lining it up the hill. He's away. No way can Colin Edwards get in the slipstream now. It just depends on how many fast laps Noriyuki Haga can pump in.
Well, I must say I am totally exhausted. I am knackered. I've been up late working on this bike all this week. I've been up. I walked out the garage about 1:30 on Wednesday night to get this bike done. I built it that day. But it's all been worth it just to have it in the garage in the first place and just to see it here glistening in the light. It looks like a bit of a Aprilia fest in this garage at the moment because obviously I'm an Aprilia fan and so is my wife. We've got RSV SP, we've got Factory 1000, we've got Mille Art, and we've got an RS125 behind me, which is another project for this year. It's not a mechanical one, it's just a cosmetic one, but I want to get that bike MOT'd out on the road and have some fun on it. I am missing an RS250. I want an RS250, but I almost bought one towards the end of last year, and I used to actually own an RS250, a 1995 model, a Max Biaggi one, replica, Chesterfield. I almost bought one, but I bought something else, another project, and that is in the other room. I'll show you that later on. It's quite a big one, so a big job for me to do, but it'll be worth it in the end. So it's all complete now. It's Friday night. We're going down to AP Workshops tomorrow. We'll be delivering this to Griff, and I hope he likes it. Hopefully we can get it fired up there. The battery is totally flat dead on this bike. I've taken it out and put one in from what I've had on the shelves for a long time. It's not powerful enough to turn the bike over, and I don't want to turn it over. I'm going to let him do that. But we managed to get the lights working, cycle the fuel pump, stuff like that. We didn't manage to get this 100% complete. The stickers, the decals were a problem. I fitted the decals on the back. I painted the decals on the front. I've got the decals for this side, but we're not going to put those on because I cannot simply buy them anywhere, find them anywhere. I tried obviously recreating them, but that all went tits up. Plus I think it kind of looks good as it is with a clean body shape and the seat unit decals and the nose decals. I think it looks good as it is, but with it being an SP, it definitely does need those SP stickers and the tank doing. But we've had to cut this project short. Someone is purchasing this bike from Griff, and he can't miss out on that sale, and I don't want to miss out on that sale for him. So that brings this project to a close. I hope you all like it, and I hope you like the videos, and we'll go down to Griff tomorrow and see what he has to say about it. Thank you for watching. Right, so we're here, we've delivered the bike, and Griff absolutely hates it. I'm gutted. Can't believe he's behaved that way, to be honest with you. So he said he hates it, take it home, and I don't want to see you again, or your face. Do you like it then?
Yeah, it's lovely. The paintwork's amazing, absolutely amazing. I just can't fault it. It's ace. Job well done, mate. Perfect.
Let's get home. Let's get home.
Back now, up to the left-hander. Bostrom is trying very hard. That's even more sideways than normal for him. Hager is fighting back. Can he get down the inside? He's got a tighter line there. We're turning left. Gets his nose cut off. And look at that. He's back through. The power of that Aprilia. Hager is just banging the fastest lap. Hager, he's just slammed his bike past Bostrom. Hager is back in the lead.
With the start and finish line, this is about 200 miles an hour, and he comes down the inside as he left his braking too late. It's easy to run in behind someone and run wide. No, he hasn't. He's kept a nice tight line. Hodgson will have a look into the inside of the southern loop. Not enough room there. Norrie's got that one covered.
Right, okay, so I'd like to thank everyone for watching. We've delivered the bike. Griff is extremely busy, so he can't stay. He can't fire the bike up because there's lots of work to do on that, and he's going to do a later video, as told us. But I want to thank everyone for watching and your patience. I want to thank Griff for his extreme patience, and my wife for reassuring me every time I have problems with her painting. I want to thank Richie Cannings for lending us his dirt shifter mobile to get the van down it, get the bike down it, because our van's got stolen and we're still not sorted out with insurance yet. So I want to thank everybody for helping us out with this project. I'll see you next time.
As I said, the first thing you really like about this bike is that you're just so comfortable on it. It's like crash helmets, some fit you, some don't, but this Aprilia fits me. Yeah, it just has such a sort of linear power that when you turn it on,